morning. It is Friday. Today is the day Joel's racing at Freedom Factory. We are up early here in beautiful, sunny, and warm Florida. It's been a minute since I've felt some warm weather, so I'm super excited about that. But today's the day. Joel's going to be racing at the Freedom Factory, which is a huge milestone, not only for all of us, but for CFMoto as well. So super excited about today. We're about to run and probably grab some breakfast at Waffle House. Head to the Freedom Factory. Breakfast time at the Waffle House. Breakfast champions. So we just finished up breakfast. Had to run back to the house real quick, but we are getting ready to head to the Freedom Factory. Oh my gosh, look at that. Get ready to head to the Freedom Factory, and then we will be hopefully running into some people and doing some awesome stuff. So come with us, have a good time. We are here. It's race day. We're here really early for everybody.
Oh yeah, we're ready, man.
Blake's excited. I'm excited.
I'm tired.
Dylan's not as enthusiastic.
Yeah, we got a good chauffeur.
He'll
get there.
Give me 2 hours, I'll get there.
He'll get there. Track right back there. Joel right in front of us, and the gate appears to be closed. So not sure what we do now. One of the many fun, adventurous things about not having a clue of what is going on and what we're doing. So as we figure out how to get through this gate, check back in. There probably won't be anybody there. Oh, they just opened it.
Pretty sure that's vandalism.
It's breaking and entering at the least. They got there filming.
Let's go.
Okay, we'll beat him here.
Mountain Dew, man, is.
Oh, I thought the side door of Joel's trailer was open. I was like, what in the world?
Overland. You think I can back up at the side?
Guys, so it's afternoon here at the Freedom Factory. So far I'm at Travis Pastrana, Lucky Elastic, Cleetus McFarland, met the side-by-side blog guys. So yeah, I'm having a great time so far. It's been a wild day. I got to meet people and do things and see things that I never thought I would. I'm extremely grateful for the opportunity to be here and to be part of Team MSC. Just extremely grateful to be here, guys. I've been taking a ton of footage all day long. I haven't talked to the camera at all except for right now, but I'm going to capture as much of it as I can. I have to dump this memory card already. I've already had to change batteries. We got GoPro set up on all the race rigs. So a little bit of drone footage. You can't get a whole lot here, so I got what I could. Just doing the thing, man. So appreciate you guys so much for joining us and coming along. So let's see what the rest of the day has to hope.
He didn't even have his mirror was broken on his truck. Like he was coming in his first rodeo. How fast? How you doing, crew?
I'm Tyler. We didn't get to meet last time.
As long as you're careful.
Joel, Ronnie out front, Cleetus behind Ronnie, Joel, and then there's Leo from side by side vlog.
I'll start off out with is cheating is going to be held to the... We'll put you on the chopping block if you cheat. So no cheating.